Do you not find the strength to turn around in the face of adversity and failure? Then today's video is especially for you. In the face of adversity and danger, some hearts break, some grow stronger. Today's story is the story of a man who did not see failure as the end, but rather as the spark of a revolution. Welcome to Inspiring Life Stories, Episode 2, A Man Who, When Broken, Made Himself Stronger. Do you know his name? Soichiro Honda. He, an incredible Japanese engineer and entrepreneur, a dreamer who turned ruins into inventions. Soichiro Honda, an example of a success story whose life was full of failures until he founded Honda Motors worldwide. Every time he tried to turn things around, but always failure followed him. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like before the main story begins. Your support also motivates us. Imagine a young engineer full of dreams and with oiled hands, working in a simple workshop in wartime Japan in the 1930s. Soichiro Honda was no scholar of theory. He believed in one principle: perfection through perseverance. He was a craftsman of reality. He founded his own company Takeseki in 1937 to develop piston rings for Toyota. It wasn't glamorous, it was grit and gear. Takeseki, making piston rings for Toyota, lost a major contract with Toyota because of poor quality. He refined the work and won the contract again. But fate has a brutal way of testing faith. World War II, a nightmare painted in fire and rubble. In 1944, a bombing raid destroyed his factory. Still, with steely eyes, Honda didn't give up. He rebuilt. He refused to let chaos define him. But fate wasn't finished. An earthquake in 1945, a brutal reminder of the fragility of nature. His factory was reduced to dust. Again, 2 strikes, 2 blows that would crush most men. But not Honda. What did he do in this situation? Did he lament? Did he surrender to the circumstances? No. Instead of despair, Honda showed extraordinary perseverance. In the ruins of a shattered economy, he saw a need, a spark of opportunity. People needed to move, but gasoline was scarce. So, Honda cleverly attached a small motor to a bicycle, stuck a small motor to an ordinary bicycle. Cleverly practical, revolutionary. He began mounting 2-stroke motors onto bicycles, which eventually led to the production of a completely motorized bicycle called the A-type. These motorized bicycles became a lifeline for many. These motorized bicycles changed the concept of motorbikes in post-war Japan. And from that moment of insight, in September 1948, Honda Motor Co. was born. Initially, the company focused on producing motorized bicycles using surplus military engines. Honda's first motorcycle, the Model D, or Dream D, was released in 1949, featuring a 2-stroke, 98cc motor, marking the beginning of Honda's journey in producing high-quality motorcycles. Over the decades, Honda introduced several iconic motorcycles, including the 1953 Dreamy, the first 4-stroke motorcycle, the 1958 Super Cub, blending motorcycle and moped features, and the 1968 CB750, the first mass-media bike with a 4-cylinder engine and a disc brake. From destruction to creation, from bombed factories to roaring engines across continents, what once seemed like a personal disaster became the foundation of a global empire. Soichiro Honda was not afraid of failure. He embraced it. He knew that true failure was not falling, but refusing to get up again. Honda motorbikes became popular all over the world, including Japan. This innovation led to the creation of Honda Motors, which is now a leader in the automobile and motorcycle world. His perseverance shows how failure can lead to breakthrough success. Think about your own setbacks, rejections, losses. Are they walls or doors? Honda's story whispers to us, breakthroughs are often disguised as breakdowns. Today's rubble can be tomorrow's blueprint. So, the next time life throws a wrench in your plans, remember Soichiro Honda. Rebuild, rethink, reignite, because sometimes a ruined factory is the first step to building an empire. Today, Honda stands as a leading global manufacturer known for its innovation, quality, and reliability in the automotive industry. This period of loss, hardship, and reinvention illustrates Soichiro Honda's belief that failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. His indomitable spirit and creativity, even in the face of adversity, continue to inspire entrepreneurs and engineers worldwide. If this story makes you think, makes you reflect, maybe even makes you reframe your own perspective, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories that show us how to see adversity, because wisdom isn't about avoiding failure. It's about knowing how to rise from it.